Well, I'm not a baker by any means. Haven't baked anything ever. I want to do any and everything with my daughter just so that she can see that she can do any and everything.
When we bake, we need to knead. And what do we need when we knead? Bench flour. Make sense? It will. Just watch.
And now we're gonna be kneading. I need you. Will you knead with me?
You knead with it?
Will you knead with me? So what I would like to do, I think would be really smart, I'm gonna take off a smaller bit of dough for you to knead and the larger part will be your dough to knead. Yeah. And you can always do this at home. If you're making bread like this, take a smaller portion that's good for you, larger for you, do it together. Now, do you know what this is called? This is a trick question. What do you think that's called?
Powder.
It is a powder. That's what I'm gonna call it now. Do you know what this is called?
A different kind of flour I didn't know was different than other kinds of flours.
It's whenever there's flour that's just off to the side, that's not a part of the recipe, you're using it for your bench. We call it bench flour.
Bench flour. You got that?
And
what are the
bench
two flours that we talked about?
Bench flour.
And?
Flour.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, good
I
enough.
don't remember what the other one is.
All this is for, the reason you do this is that I'm going to sprinkle some on your surface. Can I sprinkle some on your surface? Pooh, pooh, pooh. I gotcha. And then what this is for is that you put it on your surface so you can knead so things don't stick. So that once you start kneading, your hands get really ooky. If you put those hands back in the flour bag, you're gonna get ookiness into the flour bag. And now we are going to use some of the bench flour.
Bench flour.
Yes!
I was gonna say base flour.
It's your kitchen. You can name it whatever you want. So you're gonna take some of that and you're gonna put it on top.
All right.
On top. And then just pick it up really quickly to make sure that it's not sticking. And if it is, just put more underneath. Now we're gonna knead. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it over. You're gonna turn. And then you're gonna stretch.
And then we're gonna stretch.
You're gonna fold it over, turn it, and stretch.
And stretch.
And what you're doing is creating that gluten, which is, I consider it the muscles.
Gluten.
Gluten
That's
is
what
the
people
muscle.
don't want in their stuff. I want all the gluten.
We want all the gluten.